Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is October 6, 2025. And this week we have an upcoming upgrade to Mainnet. The guys will talk about it a little bit more about it in a little bit. But let's get started on what we're up to this week. Caleb.
I am working on exporting some of the data that we are scraping from Layer with Prometheus so that we can run some long-term data analysis on how we come to a price and what sources are best, stuff like that. If it worked, we have a database set up right now that should be tracking. It's scraping the data from Prometheus daily and adding it to a database. And then I will be working on adding an API to that so that people on the team can just query the database through the API instead of, exposing raw SQL queries to an API route. So I'll get that up probably today and then getting stuff ready for the upgrade and testing the upgrade afterwards to make sure everything's good.
Right. And the upgrade will be next Thursday.
This coming Thursday,
Yeah,
yes.
Thursday. All right. Spuddy.
I was doing a lot of Discord chat this morning. Had a lot of DMs from validators and reporters who are genuinely getting into it now because they can feel that like a mainnet is coming. So the intensity on Discord has ramped up a little bit. Someone asked about switching their reporter because they want to have a reporter that's not the same as their validator because they're getting that error message, right? And yeah, there should be no problem with having a reporter that's a different address from your validator's address. And I sent the command. I think you do switch reporter, and then yeah, that's it. I think you just switch you have to make a new reporter. Your new reporter has to delegate to your validator, and then you can run switch reporter with your old reporter's address, and then your staking power goes to your new reporter. You've selected your new reporter. You still need that old address for unbonding. Am I right?
That
Or
sounds
no?
right.
Yeah, because he's delegating.
Okay.
There's just one small caveat. The old reporter, if those tokens reported within the last 21 days, um, they can't be switched to a new reporter yet.
They have to wait 21 days before they
If,
can do this.
yeah, if those tokens were included in a report.
Thank you, Dan.
Mhm.
I'm also going to fix Telliot.
All right. In that
It's worse. It was like it's a problem that AI genuinely can't solve now. So
well, thanks, buddy.
yep.
Well, Dan, since you're up, how's our upgrade testing or the testing of the Cosmos SDK coming along?
Um, yeah, pretty good. Akram gave me some feedback on the PR. I have to do some updates to the interchain tests. Um, yeah, I was using a 5 block reporting window for spot prices just to make it easier, but it's probably not the best practice to do to make sure everything works. So I'm gonna switch that back.
All right. Brian.
Um, yeah, I'm just gonna be working on doing a revamp of the Tellor School content. So first thing that I'm gonna do is probably put it together a Tellor layer or Tellor 101 video. Um, Thinking about doing a long, short, and a short version of it.
Those,
Long version and short version.
okay. I thought it was long, short, and even shorter. What?
Yeah. Long version and short version.
Perfect. Tim.
I've been working on some updates to the user docs, so watch for that. And then that's on our docs website, and then also working on documenting all the processes that go into that user process. Like the relayer has had a lot of changes since it was last documented. So there's a lot to document there. And got some user contracts to deploy from the Sequoia changes we made last week. And like, so I've got that for Ryan to put on the Relayer website. And yeah, there's just general like tweaking on the monitors and Relayer.
All right. And don't forget the Encode Club. You'll be doing a workshop on using Tellor
Yes.
at the end of the month, so watch out for that, guys.
And that's super relevant to all the stuff I'm working on, because I'll be talking about the process of using us, at least for like a simple test user, simple path. Yeah.
Akram.
Good morning. I guess testing out the PR that Dan put out. I'm gonna run it locally. I also did some research on other chains that implemented B53 to see if there's any differences. I know this is something Dan also did, but I wanted to do it as well to see like find other projects that he probably didn't look at. Besides that, I'm gonna try to implement the median values diff threshold we talked about last week in the config. Yeah, that's it. Those are the main two things.
Right. Thanks, Akram.
Mm.
Nick, thanks for getting the ADR done. But yeah, do you have anything else?
No, I'm going to be checking over some docs today. Spuddy, there's an LVM PR with a bunch of messages. Go take a look. Let me know, or you can merge it too. But Dan made it. Make sure it looks good. Yeah, and then I'll send you something, Brendan. But it's all good.
Want to read something?
Mhm.
Yeah, and then Ryan, did we get any questions?
We did, and the question is from Hans over at Kieran Steak. Hi team, does Tellor have any plans for digital advertising such as Twitter ads, Google ads, or something like that?
Right, so we've actually done Twitter ads in the past where we promote some of our tweets. We're not sure how successful that has been. The algorithm seems to get harder and harder to get through. But I don't think we will be close to it in the future if we have, if we can come up with a good strategy and yeah. I don't know. Does anybody else, Nick, do you have a strong opinion about this?
Digital advertising is always tough. The best content nowadays, it actually has to be decent content that gets a bunch of eyeballs. And so, more of our marketing efforts, the stuff we found that really kind of works is like trying to just talk to people and trying to meet them. We're sending a nice sized team out to, what is it, DevCon or DevConnect this year, whichever one.
DevConnect in Argentina.
Yeah, the events are always great. We always do great there, meeting people. Those kind of content things always tend to get us way more eyeballs than rando Twitter digital ads. So,
but with that said, if we do post something, and we usually have put an announcement on our public Discord and also on the Twitter chat, like it. I think, the more of you like the content, the more likely it is to get distributed, even if with or without promoting it. But it definitely helps. So if you guys see it there, please like it. It takes like 2 seconds, maybe.
Yeah, and go follow me, guys. Like I posted some bangers last week and nobody, just dead.
Nick does podcasts with like big shots from other projects and nobody you've had some hits, but then like a lot of them that are really great seem like they could use some more traction too.
Well, the longevity of them, it's proven successful. Like, kind of like anytime you make good content, it actually sticks around for a while. So like people, even if it doesn't get that much buzz right away, like there's still some of my videos like the one on for true markets I did. Like it was like a prediction market I did like last year. Like I'm still like the only people that have ever had them on a podcast. So I'm like their go-to learn about our project from next thing. So it's like, yeah, people find out about you that way, which is cool.
Since it pays off. But yeah, if you guys see our post, go and like them. It definitely helps. Any other questions, Ryan? Oh, all right.
Good.
Look out for the upgrade to Mainnet on Thursday. We'll let you know at what time exactly, but so far, Spidey, you said it was around 8:30 a.m. If that changes, it's because block time changes sometimes, but just be ready. All right, and with that, we'll see you guys next week.